Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. Let's discuss about multiplication and division. So today we'll discuss about single digit multiplication and double digit multiplication. So let's say you have a number 32 multiplied by 7, right? So how do you do it? So you start with taking the multiples of this number and start with the number with the ones place, right? So you'll do the multiplication 7 times 2, and then the answer you will get is 14. You will take this one digit number, write it here, and then this one will go carry here, right? And then you'll take the 7 again, and then you'll multiply with the tens digit number, which is 7 times 3 is 21, and then you add that carry to that 22. So the answer is 20 to 24, right? So this is how you do the multiplication of single digit number. What you need to do is to take the number you want to multiply, and then start with the rightmost digit, starting from ones place, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and whenever the number is greater than 10, you write the ones digit number here, and you take one, carry to the next number, and that's how you do the multiplication of single digit number. let's see if you have a double digit number, right? So let me write it in a different way, so you understand. All right, so you have 32 multiplied by 17, right? So in this case, what will you do is you will take the first digit number and multiply with by 32, and then you will do the same process with the 10th digit number, right? So you start with 7. 7 times 2 is 14. So we write 4 here, carry 1 here. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 1, 22, right? So this is multiplication of 7. You have done that. Now you will go to the next digit. So what you need to do is to put a cross here, and then you'll start with the next place, and you'll start with 1 multiplying by the ones digit number, and start the same process again. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, right? Now you need to sum this up. So what you have done is you have broken this number into two parts, and you have done two multiplications with that number, and now you sum it up to find out the final product. So what you will do is sum it up. 4, this cross is like 0, 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5. This is how you do the multiplication of two digit number. Hope you understand that. We'll discuss about this division in next lecture. Thank you.